Hi guys, I thought I'd make a quick video on nail dremeling or nail trimming, cutting your dog's nails to make the quick recede. Dog's nails recede. I've looked online, seen many Facebook groups, videos online, a lot of diagrams, but I thought I'd make a quick video with my son's Play-Doh. Okay. So this side, these two represent white dog's nails and black dog's nails, and this is just from my experience with my my dog's nails, because I have Ayla. She has black nails, and all the other dogs that I have white nails. Okay, so I'll start off with what these represent. This is a white nail, or the white shell, the keratin shell, white, and this is black. I ran out of black, so I just mixed some brown in it, dark brown. So this is the quick, where the blood vessels are. And this, for white nails, this is the pulp. It's right before the quick. And on a black nail dog, the pulp is kind of grayish, or it could be black or grayish, but it's right before the quick. So this is gonna be wrapped around like that. Okay, this is represents, sorry for the camera, white dog's nails. Okay, so what I do to help recede our dog's nails is to trim. So that wraps around, and what we do is we trim off. We initially trim straight here, dremel it as close as we can right before the pulp, right here, or dremel. In my case, I always dremel, and we dremel till we see that pulp, and that's when you stop, you know. And not only that, but I do the sides. I'm going to cover this over here like that. And the side. We do dremel the sides a little bit here, right before the pulp, and right here. 1, 2, and the top part. I think it's called helmet. Right above the, peek there. Right above the pulp, there's some area here that has the hard shell, which is called the helmet. So you would dremel right above there, like that. So that would be one dremel here. Here's my nail dremel. Dremel here, and dremel the helmet right above there, and the sides. What that does is, when the dog walks around after being dremeled or cut shorter, that pulpy area starts to dry up right before the quick. It dries up and it recedes, slowly recedes. So like, I'm going to be dremeling like a dog twice a week if I want faster results. You know, you shouldn't wait like weeks and weeks and then dremel again. But the same process every week, or every couple weeks, or twice a week if you can do that. Here, sides, and the top, the helmet. So with the black dog's nails, that goes over here. There's like a long black nail right there. Let's see that. Oops, sorry. That pulp is grayish. You would dremel or cut right before the pulp. Right there, as you dremel till you see that pulpy area right there. That's dremeling. That's when it gets really sensitive. And then you would dremel or trim the helmet area, which is right above there. See? There. And the two sides. It's over there. I would dremel the sides as much as you can without getting too close to the quick. So again, peek in here. You would Dremel or file it down close here to the pulp, and you stop when you see that grayish like circle, grayish or blackish circle, and then you would Dremel the top, that helmet area, and you Dremel the sides. That encourages the pulp to kind of dry up more and the blood vessel to recede or dry up. The very tip dries up, and the new growth, or this will harden here, and the next time you just Dremel again here and on the top right there and the sides, and that way it prevents that quick from growing forward. It'll help it to recede. So hope this helps for you to see a visual. And I've been Dremeling, and I started to Dremel down a large Great Dane Labrador mix, and if you follow me you can see the results. Thanks for watching.